Hello.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you.
Would you like a table?
Yes, please.
For one person?
Yes, just me.
Right this way, please.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can I have the menu?
Of course. Here is the menu.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the chicken soup.
Is it spicy?
No, it is not spicy.
That sounds good.
Would you like a drink?
Yes. What do you have?
We have water, juice, and soda.
I would like some water.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
One still water. Coming up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I order now?
Yes, of course. What would you like?
I want the chicken soup.
One chicken soup. Anything else?
Yes, a salad, please.
Small or large salad?
A small salad.
Okay. One small salad.
How much is the soup?
It is $5.
And the salad?
$4.
That's not expensive.
We try to keep good prices.
I will tell my friends.
Thank you very much.
They will like it here.
We hope so.
Do you have music nights?
Yes, every Friday.
That's fun.
Yes. Live music and food.
I'll come Friday.
Wonderful.
That's all for now.
No problem. I will bring it soon.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Can I have some bread?
Yes, I will bring some bread.
That's very kind.
Here is your bread and water.
Thank you.
Your food will be ready soon.
I'm excited to try it.
I hope you enjoy it.
This is a nice place.
Thank you very much.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, we do. The password is on the menu.
Thank you. I see it.
Good. Let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you.
Your food is ready.
That was fast.
Here is your chicken soup.
And the salad?
Yes, here is your salad.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal.
It smells great.
I'm glad you think so.
The soup is very good.
I'm happy to hear that.
I like the salad too.
That's great.
Can I have some salt?
Yes, here is the salt.
And pepper too?
Of course, Here is the pepper.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Can I have more water?
Yes, I'll bring more.
You are very helpful.
Thank you.
I am full now.
Would you like dessert?
What desserts do you have?
We have cake and ice cream.
What kind of cake?
Chocolate and vanilla cake.
I want chocolate cake.
One chocolate cake. Anything to drink?
Just more water, please.
Coming right up.
Thank you.
Here is your dessert and water.
The cake looks nice.
It is very popular.
It tastes very good.
I'm glad you like it.
I had a good meal.
I'm happy to hear that.
Your service was great.
Thank you so much.
The food was fresh.
Yes, we use fresh ingredients.
Is the soup made daily?
Yes, every morning.
That's great.
Thank you.
I'm glad I came here.
You're always welcome.
Can I write a review?
Yes, please do.
Where can I write it?
On our website or Google.
I will write a good one.
That would be lovely.
Do you have takeout?
Yes, we do.
Can I take some cake home?
Sure, I will pack it for you.
Thank you.
Here is your cake to go.
That's very nice.
Have a sweet day.
Is there a restroom?
Yes, at the back on the right.
I will go now.
Okay, take your time.
I'm back.
Welcome back. Would you like anything else?
No, I'm done.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
Here is your bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Payment is complete.
Do you have outdoor seating?
Yes, on the patio.
I love fresh air.
You can sit outside next time.
Can I book a table?
Yes. What day and time?
Friday at 7 p.m.
Done. Table for one at 7 p.m.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Do you remember my name?
I'm sorry, I don't.
It's Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
You are very kind.
Thank you, Sarah.
I will see you soon.
We look forward to it.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you for coming.
I will come again.
We hope to see you again.
Bye.
Have a nice day.